1987, the year a king was born. This year also brought the first annual Festival International to Lafayette, Louisiana. Festivals happen all year, but this is by far the biggest. As its namesake, it incorporates culture and music internationally while adding a bunch of Lafayette's own culture. But before we get to the festival, we gotta pick up where we left off at the bowling alley. Thank you for making it through the whole video.
What you mean, boy? What you mean, boy? What you mean, boy? Out the door, boy. What you mean, boy?
King is 5 gallons.
I know, that's why we just got him. I wouldn't want to finish a king unless you drink like this.
He said he wants some more.
You know when you play football and they give you that big Powerade bucket? That's a keg, yeah. That's a keg. Yeah, no, I don't know if they had big silk, yeah.
Got a tap.
That's about a liter, so they're gonna need about 10 of those to make a keg, man.
Two pieces without a party pack. I didn't have to buy this, bro. Ninja Turtle.
Anytime you make a gutter ball, you gotta take a shot.
For real?
What is this? No.
Bring out the gutter, my mind in the gutter, okay? Two gutter balls.
Yeah, look, tell me what's
Gutter ball! Hold up, Maddie take a shot on.
I just hit on my kid.
He didn't hit it. Nah, you gotta kill that. I'm gonna pour for y'all. You had 2 gutter balls, you gotta hit yours. Where your cup at?
You ain't even take a shot.
Because I'm not gonna hit no gutter balls. Man had one. That's for Raven.
I can't stall when I'm falling.
You gotta give people. No, I mean, I might hit a gutter. I'm gonna go get my wine.
I can't keep it to myself. I'm a visionist, yeah. You can't picture this, yeah. Ain't no way you cannot work me, boy. I live for this, yeah. Sipping essential, that's the essential. I'm influential, yeah. Straight fundamental, that's fundamental. I'm instrumental. Speed of the tempo, yeah. We got potential, shit.
Oh, you can't do that. Straight in there.
And they still gonna find me, man. You know where to find me. I'm trying to give me a Grammy so I can
Look it up.
What's the vibes, what's the move?
So this is what the scoreboard looked like in the end, but I can't call it because everybody was taking everybody else's turn. By the way, we finally hit 60 subs. I appreciate it as always. If you haven't subscribed yet but like the content, I hope I can earn that from you in this video. Anyway, we got the old Ford cleaned up now, and we headed to the festival to meet up with Keno and Tiff.
I just give and go, yeah. I just turn my L's into W's, yeah. I just told my sins, yeah, I'm no true.
So it's like the main street where we used to go downtown, like that main street. Oh, okay. They got like hall and stuff. All right, I'm gonna hit you up.
They was starting us all along. They was trying to get Hong Kong. One competition, they all gone.
Good. I turned it off. I thought it was gonna take a while to find y'all. What's that, man?
Try it. It's not nasty.
Oh, there y'all go. Thought y'all was high.
There's a chicken and waffle. It's the best thing over here to me. With the pecan praline poured on top of it. But they did her dirty. When it came Thursday and I always get the chicken and waffle, I had a huge plate. They gave her 2 little waffles that you buy from Walmart with 4 or 5 little pieces of chicken on it. Me, when I came yesterday, I had about 12 pieces of chicken on mine with a big huge waffle on it.
You in last place and I pass you up and there's 100 people in the race. I'm 99.
How you 99 if I'm already last? I'm 100.
Yeah.
So you can't be after me. You lap.
so much that goes on festival weekend. I left the festival for a little while to link up with Ben at a Kevin Gates concert. I'm still learning the rules about concert footage in YouTube, so I can't show any of it, unfortunately. Anyway, we made it back to festival after a while. Downtown looked a little bit different when we made it back. We came from the Kevin Gates concert, you know what I'm saying? So we're back downtown. It's crazy, you know, festival is all weekend, so like, you got concerts and all that during the festival, man. You don't really know what to do. It's too much to do.
Graduating this year? Okay, when y'all graduation day is?
May 22nd, I think.
Yeah. They hate when you elevate. The second of losses, I'm handing them out. Yeah, I had to go down.
And one of the things, I don't know if y'all noticed lately, I'm trying to be a little bit more open, you know what I mean, when it comes to conversations and things like that, because on a scale of like 1 to 10, I feel like the most I've been at is like a 6.
But hey, don't listen to him. That's one-nighter Snyder.
Don't listen to him. No.
One-nighter Snyder. Sniper.
Look, I'm innocent, man. I'm innocent. Cut.
Down, no. Got this whole view to myself. Yeah. Why would I give it up? Why do they want to come take my place?
So y'all all went to school together?
I went to Bro Bridge, he went to Turtles. The north side, Bro Bridge, a lot of Bro Bridge people went to Turtles, the cabins.
Yeah.
Wait, you crossing or going to right?
What's the turtle?
What's that?
That's YouTube. Say hey, YouTube.
YouTube. After 2 years of no festivals, concert, or being around people, this was worth it. Go ahead and check out any of these videos if you like this one, and thanks for making it to the end.
I had to